Alright, today we're going to discuss wire furniture from the 1950s. This is a three-tiered table and it has a atomic starburst on the end. And this is all made out of wire. The reason they made these was because they were lightweight. They could manufacture them in a hurry, so they could, put them out right away and send them out to their customers. And they were sturdy. So this was a revolution starting to change from wood furniture to metal furniture. And this one's really a nice example. As you can see, it's got a little fancy detail here. And the top they used some perforated metal. And the way these were made was a graphic artist would draw a design concept, then the engineers would look the drawings over and they'd decide if they're going to put it in production. And then they'd take, if they got the order, they'd take a massive coil of steel wire and they'd cut all the pieces to length. Some of them would be left straight, like these top wires, like these wires down here, and some of them would be sent through the factory to be formed into shapes by bending machines. And then when they'd get all the wire ready, a jig maker would come and make a jig so they could lay all these wires into a jig, and then they'd send them on a flat table to a spot welder. First they'd weld all these shelves, 1, 2, 3, then they'd take the formed sides and they'd set it into another jig, and they'd weld all these places with an electronic spot welder. When it was all welded together and it was in nice shape, they'd send it out for a finish. Sometimes they'd use a metal shiny finish, metallic or silver. In this case they used a black painted finish. And these were gold, the atomic starburst details. And then when they came back, someone else would put these rubber tips on. Then they'd package it and send it out to the customer. So this is all about wire furniture. It's kind of a lost art, and probably in future days these are going to be higher collectible than they are today, and they'll have a great value one day. Alright, thank you for stopping in to see our video.